Good Christmas Eve, everybody. This is Brian with Bagger's Life. Just wanted to reach out real quick and wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas. Hopefully we'll be out on the road this weekend, but tomorrow is Christmas and we'll be spending it with our family, and hopefully you'll be doing the same. So from all of us to all of you, have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you on the road.
Look at Merry Christmas! We are in our sweaters 2020. No mask. And this is how you do a mimosa.
In the morning for Christmas.
Here we go. This is it. Uncle Kurt will pour.
Uncle Kurt's pouring. Honey, get the OJ ready. Oops.
Me bad. Hold on.
Pour a little sideways like that.
Just put it.
going.
Let me just see. I can't see what you're doing.
I'm doing it sideways. So
I
that
know.
you don't.
I can see.
Takes 3 people to make one.
Oh, it's gonna take.
Yeah, you get the OJ.
Oh, yeah, hold on. No, we're not even close.
I'm so thirsty.
There. We want to get it to the very.
Kurt's is the one with lipstick all over it. Oh, good grief. I'm gonna be 100 by the time you pour that.
Well, I don't want to spill.
You don't want to spill, but you're spilling everywhere.
I like you to pour it up.
Yeah. Don't often take over. Get it to like.
Kurt didn't want to spill, but he
Yes,
spilled.
I know how to do it.
Keep going. This is how you make a mimosa.
And that'll be all important part.
Is there,
We're
is there-
pretty good.
The orange juice.
Here we go. Perfect. Not too much. A mimosa.
Mimosa.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
2020. Here we go. Salute. Great coloring too.